Hello. Airport, please.
Sure. Which airport?
International airport. Okay.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes. Yes. I am very excited.
Nice. Have a safe trip.
Passport, please. Here you are. Thank you. Where are you going? I am going to Europe. Great. Your gate is A12. Thank you so much. Have a nice flight.
Hello. Juice or water?
Orange juice, please.
Hello. Why are you here?
I am here for vacation.
How many days?
7 days.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you. Hello. Can you take me to my hotel?
Sure. What is the address?
Green Hostel, please.
Okay. It is 20 minutes away.
Thank you.
Hello. Welcome.
Hi. I have a booking.
What is your name? Annie Watson. Okay, here is your room key.
Thank you.
Breakfast is at 8 a.m.
Great. Finally, I am in Europe. I am tired but happy. Tomorrow will be fun.